Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, welcome to our channel. And Shakil Kambo is there to teach you something about COVID-19. First question is, how long does it take for symptoms of coronavirus disease to appear? Option A, 1 and 2 days, 3 to 4 days, 5 to 6 days. So right option for this question is 5 to 6 days. So coronavirus symptoms appear in 5 to 6 days. And the next question is SARS stands for, SARS stands for a severe acute respiratory syndrome, solid acute respiratory syndrome, strict acute respiratory syndrome. The correct answer for this question is severe acute respiratory syndrome. SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome. So option A is right for this question. SARS stands for severe acute respiratory syndrome. It's not solid acute respiratory syndrome, strict acute respiratory syndrome, soft acute respiratory syndrome. When first COVID-19 patient died in USA? Name the country other than China where the first COVID-19 patient died on 2nd February 2020. So this country is Philippines, not Italy, India, Afghanistan. So after China, the first patient died in Philippines. Name the country other than China where the first COVID-19 patient died on 2nd February 2020. This country is Philippines. So after China, Philippines first patient died. On 28th February 2020, which African country reported first case of COVID-19? So African country name is Nigeria, not South Africa, Chile or Brazil. In African countries, first case was reported by Nigeria. Nigeria is an African country which first time reported COVID-19 case. In Pakistan, first COVID-19 patient died on 18th March 2020. So it's not 18 January or 18 February. It was 18th March 2020 when first COVID patient died in Pakistan. Which disease is related to COVID-19? Chickenpox, AIDS, fever or SARS? So SARS is related to COVID-19. And you know it well, SARS stands for severe acute respiratory syndrome. SARS is a disease that is related to COVID-19. In USA, the first COVID-19 case was reported on 20th January 2020. So first COVID-19 case in USA was reported on 20th January 2020, not on 31st December 2019 or 21st January. It was 20th January. In Pakistan, first COVID-19 case was reported on 26 February 2020. So Pakistan reported its first patient on 26 February 2020, not on 20th January 2020 or 21st January 2020. First case of COVID-19 was reported in Pakistan on 26 February 2020. First patient of coronavirus died in the world on. After China, which country reported coronavirus case on 13th January 2020? So after China, Japan was the country to report COVID-19 case on 13th January 2020. Not Italy, France or India. It's Japan who reported its first case of COVID-19 on 13th January 2020. Thanks for watching this video. When first coronavirus case was reported on in the world. In the world, first coronavirus patient was reported on 31st December 2019. 31st December 2019 was the day when first coronavirus case was reported in the world. So the last day of 2019. COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. So the abbreviation of COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. CO means corona, VI for virus, D for disease. COVID-19 started from which country? So it started from China. COVID-19 started from China and then it spread throughout the world due to the migration of people from one country to another country. At first COVID-19 started from China. When WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic, WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic on 11th March 2020. WHO means World Health Organization. World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic on 11th March 2020. It started in 2019, but WHO declared it a pandemic on 11th March 2020.